Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get on the Bitget card waitlist, or how to join the waitlist. Now first off, once you log in into your Bitget account, you will just need to go to the more option right here. Once you're on this menu, just scroll down a bit until you can see the card section. So just go ahead and click on the Bitget card. From there, once this page loads up, you can just click join the waitlist right here. From here, just input your country, so you can search it in the search bar right here. Now, once you select your country, go ahead and click register. And there we go. Now you're on the Bitget card waitlist. So they automatically pull the data from your Bitget account once you select your country. From there, you will be on the waitlist and you will receive an email once your Bitget card is ready. And that's guys how you can get on the Bitget card waitlist. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.